Welcome to MotoZone Official. This time we will discuss about Honda WN7, the most exciting electric motorcycle. Honda is preparing to make a serious statement in the electric motorcycle world, and its upcoming WN7 could be the machine that finally shifts EV bikes from niche curiosity to mainstream performance option. While electric vehicles are often described as the future of mobility, motorcycles have faced unique challenges in the transition. Weight has always been the enemy of two-wheeled performance, and heavy battery packs traditionally blunt the agility and excitement riders expect. Honda's new electric platform appears designed specifically to overcome that perception. Unlike many startups that rushed into the EV space, Honda has taken a deliberate approach. As the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer, the company is known for entering segments only when it believes the technology, cost balance, and real-world usability align. The WN7 signals that Honda now sees electric motorcycles as genuinely viable alternatives to internal combustion models, not just urban commuters or tech showcases. Performance is central to that confidence. Honda describes the WN7 as delivering middleweight capability, with output comparable to 600cc sport bikes and torque rivaling 1000cc machines. Using Honda's current lineup as reference points suggests power in the neighborhood of 90 horsepower and torque around 80 lb. While peak kilowatt figures may not look dramatic on paper, electric motors deliver instant torque, which transforms real-world acceleration. The result should be strong, accessible thrust across the rev range, rather than power that builds only at high RPM. Range and charging, two critical EV concerns, also show meaningful progress. Early concept figures of 62 miles have grown to an estimated 83 miles for the production-oriented WN7. More importantly, Honda is focusing on charge speed and convenience. The bike supports CCS2 fast charging, allowing a 20 to 80% charge in about 30 minutes, adding over 40 miles of range in that time. Even more significant is home charging. Honda claims a full charge from empty in under 3 hours from a standard outlet. That removes the need for expensive dedicated chargers and makes daily ownership far more practical. Engineering choices reflect a premium yet usable design philosophy. The battery packs are positioned on either side of where a fuel tank would sit, extending downward to keep mass centralized and low. A single-sided swing arm remains, along with dual front disc brakes, reinforcing the bike's high-spec intentions. At the same time, Honda has moved toward more conventional wheel hardware, suggesting a focus on durability and cost control rather than exotic show bike components. Technology will also play a key role. A 5-inch TFT display, smartphone connectivity via Honda RoadSync, navigation, and likely regenerative braking all point to a thoroughly modern riding experience. Pricing is expected around $17,600, placing the WN7 in premium adventure bike territory, an ambitious position that reflects Honda's belief in the platform.